Hello and welcome back to How About That Crypto. You are watching your daily crypto news and updates with your host, Bitcoin Stylist on Twitter and Bitcoin Hairstylist on Instagram. I am here Monday through Friday and I explain crypto and Web3 while keeping you up to date on all the latest. Today's news stories are: the Justice Department files their first charges in a sanctions case involving crypto. MetaMask wallet and CoinbasePay integrate new product developments. And if you stay to the end, I'll give you an update on the market crash as it pertains to TerraLUNA. But first, if you like or don't like the content, please let me know by leaving a comment below. If you're listening on podcast, please give me 5 stars and follow me. If you're watching on YouTube, please smash that subscribe button, ring the bell. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Just to be clear and litigious, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. You can use the links below to do your own research. All right. Let me know if this is too fast, but I'm going to try to tighten some of these episodes up a little, maybe have like a couple of longer episodes a week. So anyway, leave a comment below. Let me know if it was too fast or not. Let's jump right in. Remember, risk and adoption are the only things that I focus on. Are the only things that I focus on. I only focus on price when thinking when and what to buy. Risk comes from lack of adoption. Risk comes from unfriendly governments, unfriendly laws, and unfriendly regulations. Risk also comes from outside of the crypto world, and we can do nothing about it. Like a war in Ukraine causing energy prices to jump, shutting down Russian airspace and clogging up other supply chains and transportation lines. Zero COVID policy in China screwing up supply chains, COVID keeping any rebound that we can have hampered, inflation because of all the above and other things. Fed trying to tame inflation by hurting the economy until it beats down inflation. Yeah, just those things. When those things abate, I think the only thing we'll have to worry about is regulation. We want laws and regulations created and or adopted. This means defining what crypto is, having tests to determine if it's a security or a commodity or some other way to figure this stuff out. Like new accounting rules, reporting rules, disclosure rules. Also, the feds need to know how to police this. I'm going to share my screen. You can use the links below to follow along, or you can just listen. All right. So, author Stacey Elliott reports for Decrypt. Justice Department charges defendant with sending $10 million in Bitcoin to sanctioned country. I'm just going to read a couple of pieces from here. The Justice Department has filed criminal charges against an unnamed defendant who allegedly sent more than $10 million worth of Bitcoin in an attempt to skirt economic sanctions. This is the first time the U.S. has filed charges in a sanctions case involving cryptocurrency. A person or group set up a payment processing company as a front. Then they sent more than 10 million to a sanctioned country using crypto. The feds have made sanctions on the crypto world before. The Treasury Department Office of Foreign Assets Control, or OFAC, that's Treasury Department's Office of Foreign Assets Control, sanctioned a crypto mixer earlier this month. So what is a mixer? A crypto mixer is a place where people can put crypto in and you get different coins on the way out and you pay a fee. It's just basically laundering money. And they don't have a lot of liquidity, so they can't really be used in large instances for, say, a sanctioned country, really. But this one was specifically linked to North Korea, and a hacker group that's been linked to North Korea hacked Axie Infinity for $600 million. It was the largest crypto hack to date, and we're trying to use the mixer to wash that crypto. So the Treasury Department sanctioned it, and you're not allowed to, basically anybody who touches the money that comes from that wallet could potentially be put under scrutiny. So the exchanges are watching that address. Yeah, and I think that this is all good stuff to hear. The author continues to talk about settlements and crypto exchanges, so precedent is being set. This is a positive thing. The feds are learning how and enacting enforcement. Also, Chainalysis, a blockchain and analytics firm, created a tool for helping companies screen transactions for sanctions compliance. So that's a very big positive thing. People don't have to be so worried about working with sanctioned countries and not even knowing it. All of you sitting on the sidelines, the feds are integrating crypto into our traditional finance world, or TradFi. What do you think about this? I think this is super positive. We want to see sanctions. We want to see regulations. We want to see policing. We want to see enforcement. We just want to see it as long. We just want to also see the industry being able to boom and flourish, not being regulated in enforcement and sanctions and stuff to prevent it from growing. No, that is not what's happening. The feds are just figuring out how to treat it like our current financial system, whether that is good or bad. What do you think about this? Please leave a comment below, and I am moving on. All right. So we have this is an awesome opportunity to talk about a new product or service or tool, and that has been built, which costs money and time. Consensus.net reports MetaMask integrates with CoinbasePay for a new way to buy crypto. MetaMask continues to grow its buy crypto solution directly in the wallet. Coinbase Pay will be available to MetaMask users first as it rolls out to the Web3 ecosystem. So Coinbase Pay, what is Coinbase Pay? Coinbase Pay is, let's pull it up right here. So Coinbase is the largest crypto exchange in the US, publicly traded. And it says, Coinbase Pay. Coinbase Pay is let's see. With Coinbase Pay, users can access saved payment methods or crypto balances in their crypto account, including debit cards. So it's like Google Pay or Apple Pay. It's a place where your payment solutions are stored. Okay. So you have this product that we're familiar with, Coinbase Pay, is like Apple Pay, is being integrated into MetaMask wallet, which is a wallet that's built on the Ethereum network. You can also access the Avalanche network, I believe, and any other coin that's built on the Ethereum network, you can buy it through MetaMask. And they have a browser. You can go right onto a decentralized exchange. They also have they also will process through their own means as well. So what does this mean? I think this is super big, just mainly because there's investments going into the space and there's new products making it easier. Basically, it has been hard to buy crypto off exchanges because there's no way to put your money from fiat into crypto unless you go through an exchange. You had to go through an exchange. Sorry, repeating myself. You had to go through an exchange. That means fees. This process also means many steps and lots of friction. I'm not sure if this new product solves the fees and maybe the friction issue, but just maybe it makes it easier to buy more crypto that's not listed on Coinbase. Let's take a look. So I'm gonna just read a few things from here. So you'll soon be able to purchase or transfer crypto within your MetaMask wallet in a few clicks or in Coinbase account. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet, then this might not be that exciting to you, but MetaMask offers you access to a lot more coins than Coinbase or any other exchange. Before the MetaMask and Coinbase integration, your crypto buying experience probably looked a lot like pasting your MetaMask wallet address in the Coinbase sandbox and triple checking to make sure you had the right address so your tokens don't go to, I don't know, in nowhere. So basically, this is just making it easier and safer for people to transact in the crypto space. That's what that is. So that's a positive because it needs to be easier. Common people, regular people, you might be listening. If you haven't gotten into crypto and adopted it and moved money around, then you don't understand the process and the fees and the addresses and how to send money and the dangers, etc. Taking that long address, those long string of numbers and letters and characters, and you miss one, you can lose all your money. So this is just making it super easier. What are your thoughts? Please leave a comment below, and moving on. All right. You made it to the end. I have an update on the crypto crash as it pertains to TerraLUNA. Author Jet in Chile. Yeah, I think that's right. Reports for Bitcoinist. Terraform Labs legal team quits after UST crash. Another blow to Quan. Okay, so real quick, TerraLUNA. Terra is the is the stable coin pegged to the dollar, and Luna is the sister coin, is the native coin on the Terra blockchain, and they have a mechanism where they're actually linked together to help maintain the peg to the dollar of the stable coin. and the stable coin is supposed to be $1 at all time, and Luna can go up and down. Well, there's a big collapse. It pulled the entire market down. They had to sell like 80,000 Bitcoin. So not only did their peg move off $1, scare a bunch of people, and people just started trying to exit the space. And in order to try to save the $1 stablecoin peg, they sold 80,000 Bitcoin, which caused a bigger pull in the market than maybe would have happened otherwise. And Do Kwon is the founder. All right, here's a couple of things I'm just going to read to you. All right. Chief Corporate Counsel Lawrence Florio, General Counsel Mark Goldich, and Regulatory Counsel Noah Axler have all ceased working for the blockchain startup as of May 2020, shortly after UST crashed last week, causing Terra's native cryptocurrency Luna to lose $40 billion. So what's going on? Why are they running away? Is it because they see legal matters, or because they're like, this ship is sank, or is it some other reason? We do not know, but I'm going to keep moving on with these updates. And let's see, here we go. Collapse of the stablecoin. The past week has been difficult for Terraform Labs, and a small number of team members have resigned in recent days. Terraform Labs is the company that is behind Terra and Luna. The vast majority of team members remain committed to completing the project's mission. Terra is more than UST, with an exceptionally devoted community and a clear plan for rebuilding. Our current focus is on implementing our plan to restore the Terra ecosystem. So Terra ecosystem, they're talking about the Luna blockchain. There were applications being built on the Terra blockchain and utilizing Luna. UST was just their stable coin. And I'm going to tell you what the plan is to deal with this, because it sounds like they're trying to get rid of the UST stablecoin. Here we go. The revival plan. The most recent plan, Terra Ecosystem Revival Plan 2, was unveiled on Tuesday and entails the permanent elimination of UST. So they're going to get rid of the stablecoin and the splitting of Luna into the worthless Luna Classic and a new version of the coin named Luna. And the splitting of Luna into the worthless Luna Classic. Okay, so they're going to make all Luna. They're going to make all Luna currently available, make it Luna Classic, and create a new Luna. The plan includes an airdrop of 1 billion replacement Luna tokens to previous UST and Luna holders who lost a substantial investment in the coin, as well as to current Luna holders. So if what they're trying to do is, if you own this before the crash, not trying to buy the dip or buying right now, then they're trying to figure out a way to compensate for people. Last thing I checked, this has not been picked up by the community, but we will see. So that's all the news for today. What are your thoughts? Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Was it too fast? Was it too slow? Could it be faster? More information, less information? Please also, when you're leaving that comment, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, help support the channel. Doesn't cost you anything. Have a good weekend. No, I'll see you tomorrow. Hodl on.